here and welcome to Bird Watching Safety Tips. You never can be too safe when you're bird watching in the 21st century, let me tell you. So, to accommodate those of you with very short attention spans, I have created an educational rap. Walking down the street, just enjoying all the sun. I was hopping and a jumping, just having me some fun. Rounding in this corner, tearing down the walk, was a white-breasted chickadee, shouting out trash talk, cheeping, squawking, pecking on my ear, swooping, diving, coming way too near. Here I go, losing my mind. Here I go. He's come fooling my behind. Gangsta birds, hanging on the corner of Oak and Third. Gangsta birds, your mama's a hen and your dad is a nerd. Crack of dawn next morning, while swimming in the lake, some geese that came a gathering an exit I did make. All their wings are flapping and honking really loud. I just floated on my back and acted like a cloud. They were planning, scheming, ready for no good, strutting, stroking figures of the hood. Here I go, I didn't overhear. Here I go, they're pecking on my rear. Gangsta birds, hanging on the corner of Oak and Third. Gangsta birds, your mama's a hen and your dad is a nerd. Chicka tweedle tweet, biggity brock. I can talk birds, so you better stand back. Chicka tweedle tweet, biggity brock. Miss Blessing's on the mic and her rhymes on whack. Going for a picnic, but I better have my lunch. Pigeons up above me and they want something to munch. All that quiet cooing, it's only to deceive. They're ready for a takedown and they will not let me leave. They are cooing, stalking after my sandwich. Flapping, grabbing, I run into a ditch. Here I go, I dose them with my milk. Here I go, oh yes, I know their ilk. Gangsta birds, hanging on the corner of Oak and Third. Gangsta birds, your mama's a hen and your daddy's a nerd. And this concludes my video on bird watching safety tips, so that when you are... Oh no, gangsta hen!